so much, guys. Of course, last song na talaga. Para sa inyo, Kuya Ron. Recetas to Andy. Thank you so much, Sir Andy. Gracias, saludos. All the way from Brazil. Brazil, I love you, Brazil. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, here we go. Kuya Ron, thank you so much, Kuya Ron. May salute to you, Kuya Ron. Universal Malaysia Alexis. Dear Andy, maraming salamat sis. Love the vlogs, Dear Andy. Thank you so much. Here we go. Okay. I bless the day I found you. I want to stay around you. And so I beg you. Why not? Hello, my friend. Let it be me. Why not? Thank you. I don't take this heaven from one. If you must cling to someone, now and forever. I'm in Sao Paulo, Brazil. Let it be me. Thank you so much, Sir Andy. It's Jeremy Lalo. Each time we meet love, why I found complete love without your sweet love. What would life be? So never leave me lonely. Say that you love me only, and that you'll always let it be me. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. Napagsama sa akin for 1 hour and 48 minutes na. Isang dalawang oras na pala dito. Very cool song naman ni siya, Andy. Sa Jerry. Kuya Juan, maraming salamat po sa inyo, guys. Thank you so much. Sir Andy, thank you so much. Waida, thank you. And the rest of the mga dito, guys. Thank you so much. Each time we meet love, I find complete love without your sweet love. What would life be? Never leave me lonely. Tell me you love me only, and that you'll always let it be me, and that you'll always your empty love, let it be me. Thank you so much, guys. 10 minutes na lang sana, 2 oras na ako, pero nahiya na ako sa inyo eh. Sige na, matulog na tayo. Sis JMD, maraming salamat po. Beautiful soul. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Kuya Rob, thank you so much. And Resitas Doande, all the way from Brazil. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for the message. Thank you. And of